Hi everyone, my name is Carol, and today we're going to be looking at the Infraspeak Mobile App and how to complete a planned job through the app. So, if you go ahead and log into your Infraspeak app, you can then head on over to the Calendar tab. And once you've opened up the Calendar tab, you can see you have a planned, active, and completed tab. So I'm going to head over to the Planned tab. And I'm going to click on this first job order that we have, which is called London HVAC. And now in order to start this job and have access to the task list, I do need to click on the play button. So I'm going to click on the play button. And as you can see, we now have our taskbar at 0% and we're ready to start completing this job. So let's head on over to our to-do tasks. And I'm going to open up these tasks and show you how to complete them and what they look like. So we have here consumption value, and I'm going to add that it's 400. And going to clean and replace filters, that's fine. Thorough cleaning, that's fine as well. And I've completed this checklist, so I'm going to head on back. Going to open up another checklist, which we've got 3 tasks to complete. So thorough cleaning is fine. Clean or replace filter is fine as well. We're going to register consumption, and we're going to add 421. That's been added. I'm going to click on close. Head back. And I've got 3 more over here to complete. So register consumption, I'm going to add a value. So let's say that's 422. I also have the option here on these 3 little dots on the right hand side. If I click here, I have the option to add an observation according to this measurement that I just inserted. And I also have an option of adding a photo. So the photos will always be associated to this measurement reading. And even when you do generate a report, it will also be linked to this specific reading. I can add any expendable materials if necessary. I can add multimedia as well if necessary. So anything from picture, a file, or even a short video. And I can add some final observations in regards to this task if necessary. I have 3 task status that I can change from between completed, execution, and canceled. So I'm going to leave that at completed, and I'm going to click on close. And I'm going to confirm the thorough cleaning, and I'm going to confirm the clean or replace filters as well by selecting my tick. So I've completed those. I'm going to head back to the checklists, and I've got 1 more here to complete. Going to click on that. And again, OK for thorough cleaning, cleaning and replace filters. And here we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. And I'm going to click close. And as you can now see, there are no more pending tasks on this asset for me to complete. So once I've completed all of my tasks, I'm ready to go back. And as you can see, my taskbar is now at 100% complete because I've now completed all of my pending tasks. Once that's done, I'm ready to go over to the Finished Planned Job tab and click on it there. Once I've clicked on it, I have now successfully completed my job, and as you can see, at 100%. Thank you for watching. Bye.